what we need to improve on is aggressive passing. That pass, you need to have center back that know how to play that pass. Just watch again. It comes back. Undamani, look at that pass. So when you have a team that's playing a low block, your center backs, they need to know, they need to be very good passers of the ball. Siyazi ukuthi ngale uCBC akekho mnandi, right? Angeke wadlale those passes. Umntamani ngapha, he needs to improve. He needs to improve on those passes. Another example in the game of aggressive passing. So now, if the center back plays that pass, it plays the pass. We need to know what to do with the ball, because here Umdamani plays a very good pass. It's a very good pass, aggressive passing. You need to have time on the ball. So the pass that you make, it needs to be very good. But then again, if masel then ithola a striker or a midfielder, you need to know what to do in those positions. Another example, right, of aggressive passing. Now, our best center back, which is Umbogas. Watch this. That's a bad pass, right? It's something that we need to improve on. But now, our best center back, Umbogas, can play those passes. Sharp. Now it comes to the technical team or the coach. That's why I need to. For me, Hugo is not a very good coach. He's a good coach. Now, the thing is, Umbagazi ufike late squad team, right? He didn't play in this game. Will he play in the first game we have called? Mina bengizomdlalisa, because as a coach, you must not punish the team. If a player does something wrong, don't punish the team. Punish the player. And when you punish the player, find him. Fine. Because if I'm Umdlalisi, you're punishing the team, because we need the guy. That's one of the things Thierry Henry said. You don't punish the team, you punish the player. I'm fine, but he still needs to play because we need the guy.